Man, that is a big bass. Am I recording? Okay, I am. I watched that dude come out of the darkness right there. There's like a little shadow line, and he just... Oh, I gotta show you guys this one. And I have to weigh it. Okay, let me show you guys this thing real quick. Before I do, so I have 2 of these, and I'm using my new Apex. This is a 710 medium heavy with my Lexa HD. It's my HSLP. This thing's such a nice reel. I've done a review on all of it. I work with Tuned Up Customs. If you guys want this stick, which it worked perfectly. I love when things work exactly like they're supposed to. If you guys want this stick, you can use my code DWS10 at checkout when you're building your rods, and yeah, you get 10% off. I'm gonna show you this thing now. That's my biggest bass for the year so far. And I'm gonna get a weight on her real quick before I put her back. 379. That's almost a 4. All right, let's get this feisty thing back. Thank you.